Hi, welcome to Prep Career. I am Vikas Selawat and today we are announcing starting a new batch of History Optional Foundation. Okay, because many of you were reaching out to us क्योंकि बीच में थोड़ा सा ट्रांजिशन फेज था कि कब से बैच होगा क्या ये सारी क्वेरीज मेरे पास आ रही थी. सो वी आर गोइंग टू एड्रेस ऑल दोस और आपको समझाएंगे किस तरीके से फाउंडेशन कोर्स चलेगा. कुछ काफ़ी सारी बेसिक क्वेरीज रहती हैं, कितना ड्यूरेशन है, कितनी क्लासेस हैं, टाइमिंग एक्सेट्रा. सो विल टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर डिस्कशन. ठीक है. सो जो क्वेरीज आ रही हैं मेरे पास हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल फाउंडेशन के लिए, सबसे पहले तो यही है कि बैच स्टार्ट कब से हो रहा है. सो भाई देर आर टू बैचेस, वन विच इज स्टार्टिंग विद NCERTs इटसेल्फ. ठीक है ना. सो दैट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मंडे 23rd. ऑल राइट. इसमें व्हाट विल बी डूइंग, विल बी टेकिंग अराउंड 10 क्लासेस. इन दोज 10 क्लासेस आई विल बी टेकिंग 2 क्लासेस फॉर ऑल द पार्ट, एंशिएंट, मिडिवल, मॉडर्न एंड वर्ल्ड, एंड 2 आंसर राइटिंग क्लासेस, वन फॉर पेपर 1 and other for paper 2. सो जो भी एनरोल्ड स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आई विल बी चेकिंग देयर आंसर इन द क्लास इटसेल्फ. तो वो सारी जो फैसिलिटीज़ हैं they'll be given to only the enrolled subscribers. Otherwise also we are having one plan, History Optional Learning Festival, in which all of you can participate. तो उसके लिए there is no restriction. So NCERT classes we are giving in free also, but at the same time those who are subscribed or enrolling in our batches, they are getting some more inputs from my side, so that from the beginning itself उनका foundation strong हो जाए. So you can join us because the enrollments they are going on, so you can join us now. The other batch which many of you are asking कि भाई मेरे पेपर है मई में, कैसे मैं अभी ज्वाइन करूँ. सो अगर आपका जो एग्ज़ाम्स है दे आर एंडिंग बाय अराउंड 31st, सो यू कैन एनरोल इन आर जून कोर्स ऑल्सो. जून 13 से आपका सीधा मैप के साथ स्टार्ट होगा. विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद मैप, एंशिएंट, मिडिवल, मॉडर्न एंड वर्ल्ड. जो बैच है विल बी ऑफ अराउंड 4.5 months. ठीक है ना. इन विच आई विल बी कवरिंग ईच एंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट. आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ the foundation batch, what will be the strategy, how we can make sure that you get more than 300 marks. That is the core of our foundation batches. Alright, class timings जो है वो 2:30 से 3 PM के आसपास ही रहेगी, because it is comfortable for majority of the students. Okay, then our classes will be in offline as well as online mode. दोनों में रहेगा, कोई दिक्कत वाला issue है ही नहीं. Those who are enrolled in our previous batches, they will be getting access to the new batch also. So there is no issue with respect to that. All right. So these were the basic queries. We were getting it every day. क्या होने वाला क्या है? Our website, it's in the last preparation stage. वो आपको एक दिन में मिल जाएगा. That's not an issue. But you can start taking the enrollment. उसके लिए आपको अब ज़्यादा वेट करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay. Then the various features, the components that we have in our foundation course, it is very elaborate in nature. What is the meaning of elaborate? कि भाई आपको हर चीज़ के लिए हम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट दैट कि हम आपको मैप 1-2 क्लास में करा दिया, उसके बाद में यू आर नॉट एबल टू हैंडल दैट क्वेश्चन फॉर 2 attempts एंड इवेंचुअली यू आर फेलिंग. नो, नॉट लाइक दैट. फर्स्ट यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ द NCERTs कि NCERT में क्या रेलिवेंट पोर्शन है, किस तरीके से पढ़ना चाहिए, हाउ दे आर बेनिफिशियल इन GS, हाउ दे आर बेनिफिशियल इन आवर ऑप्शनल पेपर. सो वी आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. वी आर गोइंग द एक्स्ट्रा माइल सो दैट ऑल ऑफ यू कैन गेट अ वेरी गुड फाउंडेशन. है ना. मोस्टली व्हाट हैपन्स, यू डू फाउंडेशन कोर्स, किसी तरीके से सिलेबस आपका भगा के ख़त्म कर देते हैं, एंड इन दी एंड यू आर नॉट इवन एबल टू गेट 250 मार्क्स इन दी ऑप्शनल, एंड दैट स्ट्रगल स्टार्ट्स विद फाउंडेशन कोर्स. इस चीज़ का हमेशा ध्यान रखना है. इफ़ यू डू फाउंडेशन कोर्स फ्रॉम दैट, इवेंचुअली फिर आप उससे मिलेंगे आफ्टर अ पेन ऑफ 1 to 2 years, विच इज़ नॉट गुड, राइट. बिकॉज अगर हम स्टार्टिंग में ही थोड़ी सी मेहनत ज़्यादा कर लें, अच्छे से समझ लें चीज़ों को, दैट वुड बी बेटर फॉर एवरीवन. ऑलराइट. सो देयर विल बी प्रिपरेटरी NCERT क्लासेस एंड सिलेबस सिंप्लीफिकेशन. वी हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन स्ट्रेटजी सेशंस फॉर पेपर 1 एंड पेपर 2. सो डू वॉच इट कि किस तरीके से क्या चीज़ें हमें करनी चाहिए. Okay, so that कि हमारे ज़्यादा नंबर आए. Then we have the history precision mapping program, which has been a very good program for the students. Students have been able to get very good marks because of this program over the years. I started this in 2018. वहाँ से काफ़ी लोग select भी हो गए. Okay, and then we did it last year, and उसमें भी it benefited a lot of students. Okay, there are so many thank you messages which I have got because of this program. Students who were not able to get even 5 sites correct, उन्होंने 18 साइट ठीक किए हैं. So that's the magic we have created with this program. Then we have the core syllabus classes. Once you are aware of the syllabus, once you are aware of the NCERTs, once you are comfortable with map, we start with the course level classes. जो भी आपका course syllabus है, paper 1 is divided into 24 units, paper 2 is divided into 27 units. So हम पूरे को cover करते हैं in 4 months. Then side by side we also cover your previous year question as well as provide you some certain model answers. उससे क्या फ़ायदा रहता है कि you are able to pinpoint कि which are the important areas from where UPSC is asking question. We'll discuss more about it later. All right. And we have added one more component. Now there are going to be fortnightly Zoom sessions. So this specific initiative will be available to all the students of history optional, not only those who are in foundation. जो भी हमारे किसी भी कोर्स में है, they can come, they can ask us specific queries. Okay, so we'll be going syllabus wise और उसका आपको प्लान बना के देंगे कि इस दिन कौन सी क्लास होने वाली है, and you can participate and ask your questions. So this will be something which is an important aspect of the learning festival. Now all of us know that two things are required to become successful. One, hard work, everybody knows that, and second would be the smart work. Okay, so just like Buddha's eightfold path, we are having a eightfold path for history optional. If we talk about the hard work, we need to understand each and every part of the syllabus. Okay, क्या sources उसके लिए पढ़ने हैं, अच्छे से वो sources को cover करना है. Then note making will be giving you the printed notes. ठीक है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा dictation में नहीं जाना चाहिए. That's waste a lot of time. And eventually you are not able to perform in the exam also, and since you are dictation leads to less coverage of the topics in the classroom, so we are going to avoid that. ठीक है ना, जो only important चीज़ होगा only उनके लिए हम आपको dictation कराएंगे, specifically for analysis, not for ready-made topics. कोई simple सा topics आ रहा है, ठीक है ना, उसके लिए कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, but for debate type question, yes, we are going to have certain dictation also. ठीक है. And last, how to use map and diagrams. In paper 1, yes, 50 marker map is there directly, but other than that also we can draw map of India. ठीक है ना, paper 1 में ancient medieval में या modern में use कर सकते हैं. World में we can even learn to draw the world map. World map में continents को समझना है, Africa, Latin America, ठीक है ना, और Northern America. So UPSC can ask such questions which can help you in getting 1 to 2 marks extra just because you know how to draw a map. This is an important aspect of history optional. All right. So once you have done this hard work with me for 4 to 5 months, along with that, I'm going to help you in the smart work also. Suppose you read the syllabus. Now, what should be your priority for revision? That revision should depend upon the trend analysis. And we have taken 2 videos, one for paper 1, paper 2, specifically telling you the trend analysis. So you have to understand your energy should be used in such a manner which can give you the most productive outcome. So trend analysis we are going to do. Second, answer writing approach. No teacher is focusing on the answer writing approach for history optional. How we can write better answers than others, how to introduce, how to conclude, how to make structures, how to create templates. All those things we are going to do in the class itself, so that when you're out of this foundation course, you can challenge anyone, right? It's in the end, it's more of a competition without competing with the students of history optional or the optional of others in terms of marks. Here in terms of the syllabus and the answer writing, that is the competitive spirit I want you to develop with yourself. That we are going to help you in the class itself. Third, previous year questions, how previous year questions can be used specifically for our benefit, that we are going to do. And last, we have the most important topic list. Why most important topic list? Because final revision, you get 5 days in between the GS papers of mains as well as the optional paper. Alright, so उसके अंदर जो topics होते हैं, they can be predicted to a certain level, which I do every year. Last year we were able to do it, and I gave it in the test series, map, etc. All those who were enrolled students, and they were able to get benefit out of it. So this is the approach, 8-fold path, just like Buddha came up with this अष्टांग मार्ग है ना, this अष्टांग मार्ग to make sure कि भाई दुख नहीं होना चाहिए लाइफ में. वो लाइफ के अंदर जो हैप्पीनेस है, जॉयफुलनेस है, और हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल के स्टूडेंट्स को तो और भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है आज की डेट में, उसको क्रिएट करने के लिए वी आर कमिंग अप विद दिस अप्रोच एंड वी आर गोइंग टू फॉलो दिस इन द फाउंडेशन. नाउ वी शुड ऑलवेज हैव ए टारगेट, है ना. बुद्धा के लिए क्या टारगेट रखे गए थे? निर्वाण, ठीक है ना. बट अपने लिए उतना बड़ा टारगेट नहीं रखते, अपने लिए बहुत छोटे टारगेट रखे हैं हमने. हमारे लिए छोटा टारगेट क्या है? We have to clear this civil services exam, but for getting a very good rank, you need very good score. Like I have told you before, यहाँ पे मैंने I was able to score 168 in paper 1 and 156 in paper 2. वो ऊपर नीचे चलता रहता, कभी UPSC पेपर 1 में जाता था, कभी पेपर 2 में जाता. But your aim should be कि हम 320 plus तक लेके आ सकते हैं just by following this approach. This 8-fold approach was used by me. But for me to develop this, it required hard work of 5 to 6 years. I've been reading history from 2012. Okay, so more than 10 years of experience I have with myself, not only of studying but also of performing, and for performing that I had to devise a strategy which nobody told me. Alright, we were not getting any help for that. So specifically I worked and eventually I was able to get these many marks. So I want all of you to score this much marks, but for doing that you have to follow a certain strategy that I am going to take care for you. Okay, so you have to just trust me on this and eventually we can get very good marks. Now when we talk about the History Optional Learning Festival, some of you may be like, will not be able to join now, will join your foundation course next year, or test series or map, any other program. So for you to stay connected to us, to enjoy कि भाई learning कैसे करना चाहिए, you should know the processes. Okay, now without knowing those processes you cannot go forward. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to give away certain things, like we are focusing on free strategic documents इसमें चाहे आपके कौन से बुक में कौन सा पेज नंबर पढ़ना है, these are very strategic documents so that you do not waste your time. UPSC is it becomes a big challenge because you do not know पढ़ना क्या है, छोड़ना क्या है, ठीक है ना. That accuracy, that's you can say that clarity that you'll get through our strategic documents. We are also providing NCERT classes this year free of cost. Why? Because at least you should be able to understand. Those who are in the first year, कम से कम NCERT classes देखो. Those who are in your second year, you can join the foundation course, right? And those who are in the third year, if you have done foundation somewhere, you can start with our test series. If you have not, then you can still have enough time to go for the foundation. And last, we are also going to give a lot of free one-to-one session. These session they are with respect to what is your query specifically for civil services or any specific academic query from history optional. So we are going to start with that. All right, we have already started with the strategic sessions for paper 1, paper 2. Now the order will follow. So what will happen from 23rd onwards, 23rd, 24 will be focusing on ancient India, 25, 26 on medieval India, and on 27th it will be a remarkable session for answer writing. You need to understand that the heart of the marks that you want to get, it comes through answer writing. That answer writing is very useful, but without specific techniques, without specific way of introducing, concluding and structure creation, you cannot get more marks than others. So we'll be doing all this the coming week. Okay, after that we'll be focusing on paper 2, 2 classes for modern, 2 classes for world, and in the last class we're going to do answer writing for paper 2. There is a certain difference in answer writing for paper 1 and paper 2, and that you need to understand कि भाई वो कैसे करना है, because eventually UPSC is going to see your answer copies, they are going to get evaluated, and eventually you only get marks. You do not get feedback from UPSC ये अच्छा किया ये बुरा किया, वो तो possible है नहीं, ठीक है. तो आपको बस ये ध्यान रखना है how you are able to get marks, but for that we need to work a lot. Okay, that is the main requirement for all of us. Last में क्या है कि if you have any query, kindly note down this number, ठीक है ना. This is the history helpline number 9310978553. Okay, so if you have any doubt ना of any kind, ठीक है ना, with respect to history optional, you can use this number. इस पे आप WhatsApp करिए, कभी भी आपको कोई notes नहीं मिल रहा है जो freely shared है on your channels, that can be you can get through access to this number, ठीक है ना. After that, we also have our Telegram group History with Vikas Selawat. We have also started an initiative known as Prep Career. So through Prep Career we are trying to reach to each and every student who is preparing for UPSC so that they can understand what are the requirement, what is the basic need, so that they can get a very good rank in the first or the second attempt itself. UPSC becomes a painful process if you are in it for 5-6 years. It happens to many students, it happened to me, it happened to my friends, it happens because of lack of mentorship. So we are going to provide that to you free of any cost. Okay, we have also attached a Google form linked to this video. Why this Google form? Because you can register there, you can write down your queries, okay, and you'll get a call back from our number. All right, that callback is going to help you to whatever doubt you have, you can ask. Okay, so this is it. That's it from my side. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt of any kind, do contact us at Prep Career. We are starting with the foundation course. This foundation course is going to help you out. All right, we can ensure that this is the best part of history which is going to be covered at our institute. और जो भी इसका outcome होगा, it will be only beautiful as well as tried and tested in nature, because I am also a product of the same process. Alright, अच्छे से मेहनत करेंगे and then we'll succeed. With this motto, let us congratulate ourselves and join the foundation course. All the very best.